The public be able to see the Covenant shooter's writings. The long-awaited hearing on that question is set to wrap up. In fact, any minute now. It was last March, 3 students and 3 staff members died in the shooting. The shooter, a former student who was taken down by Metro officers, left writings that up until now have not been released. Today's hearing began with an attorney representing Covenant families and finished with a rebuttal from the lawyers fighting to make these documents public. I want to go to News 2's Adam Mintzer. Listen to every minute of today's hearing, day 2. Adam, what were some of the main issues the judge will now have to consider?
Mark, a top one was school security, specifically what information that could be in these writings does relate to school security. Is it something you could gather by taking a tour of the school? Is it the shooter's plan for entering the school? These were just some of the questions brought up today, and it's important because there is an exception to releasing public records if it endangers school security. But here's the thing, there's a lot of speculation happening here. The attorneys for and against releasing these writings haven't seen these documents, so they are speculating. The only people in the courtroom who have seen them are the judge and Metro Legal. Yet still, the attorneys for the Covenant School and church argue any of these writings or documents put Covenant students and other students in danger. But the attorneys for media groups say that's an overly broad reading, and releasing these documents can be studied to prevent future shootings.
There are individuals out there that will grasp these writings, see that the notoriety has been provided, and will engage in copycat behavior. And it is that exact scenario that we're trying to prevent.
Lives are saved by releasing these writings, and that is undisputed in this case. No one else has said anything to the contrary to that.
The lawyer for Metro Police saw the issue a bit differently, saying not every piece of the writings will need to be redacted because they relate to school security, saying even information the public can figure out, like where an SRO stands or where a camera might be, should be redacted. Mark?
And of course, Adam, everyone trying to read the tea leaves in the last couple of days through these hearings. Now we're in day 2. Did we hear from the judge today? Do we have any sort of sign, any indication on how she could possibly rule?
Well, first of all, we're not expecting a ruling today. There's a lot of documents and information that the judge has indicated she wants to see before issuing her ruling. And she has continued to question both sides fairly evenly, pushing back on a lot of their arguments and asking for more details as the process goes. So it's really right now a wait and see.
All right, and that's what we'll be doing. Adam, thank you so much for following it again today.